Films play a significant role in shaping cultural heritage and are a powerful tool for storytelling. They are more than just entertainment, they are a window into Filipino culture, echoing Filipino spirit and shaping reality. Filipinos are frequent movie watchers. There has always been a close relationship between films and mental health, knowing that some people still use films as a form of self care tool.
While watching films has its advantages, it also has disadvantages. Stigma and misinformation still serve as continuing issues.
With this, the stigma surrounding depression in films creates a dilemma for mentally vulnerable individuals, creating an unhealthy environment for those who suffer from depression. This results in them not being able to reach out for help and not being comfortable talking about it.
Pag writer ka, scriptwriter ka, filmmaker ka, director ka, pag hindi mo siya na-experience, wala, or hindi mo talaga na-expose yung sarili mo in terms of um, doing sa filmmaking, mag-hollow or walang substance yung story.
Dandan.
Ready?
Ready ka na?
Yes, sabay tayo,
Sabay tayo.
ha? Sabay.
Ilan?
On three.
Dito ka pa. Okay?
Okay.
On three.
Okay.
Okay. One.
One.
Two. Ay!
Adding to the stigma, inaccurate character portrayals in films would showcase negative behavior and attitudes of people with mental illnesses, portraying them as dangerous, weak, crazy, and worthless. It is often exaggerated and romanticized just to create drama.
Tama na, Bert! Please, 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 please. Nandito kami, oh. Nandito si Dad. Nandito.
This brings us to why people or the audience are misinformed about what depression and mental health are. Thriller and drama films like Black Swan, Midsummer, Silver Linings Playbook, and A Beautiful Mind all have inaccurate character portrayals when it comes to mental health and depression.
Alamin talaga muna tayo yung definition ng mga mental health issues, yung schizophrenia, OCD, yun, obsessive compulsive disorder, di ba? Depression. Pag misinform yung tao, could also affect na ano yung meaning niya. Kasi pero unfair naman yan doon sa mga unfair naman doon sa mga totoong nakaka-experience, di ba? So, defense mechanism na lang ng mga ibang kabataan ngayon, o ibang tao ngayon na na-depress ako, hindi na ako papasok, ganyan. So, it's really unfair doon sa talagang mga diagnose.
How can the stigma of depression be reduced in films? Sir Cruz mentioned three main goals, which are awareness, a lot of research, and always balancing the sequence of the film. With these three together, creating films that talk about mental health in the future could be addressed more accurately and properly.
Reducing the stigma that surrounds depression in films starts with awareness, empathy, and proper storytelling. By creating films that educate rather than misinform, let us help build a community where mental health is understood, accurately portrayed, and not feared.